Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about STL Text and how to fix the mesh or quadremesh, the whole thing. So I use here a website. There you can export STL text. And okay, so I download the whole thing, and here in Nomad Sculpt I import the text. So first I rotate it in the front view. So here I move it to the origin, bake it. Okay, so it looks nice, but there are problems. So I turn the wireframe on and I turn on smooth shading. So you see here are problems, overlappings, and yeah, here is a problem, and yeah. So the first thing here is a new thing here with the Boolean. So sorry, where is Boolean here? I think. Here, where is Boolean? Keep sharp edges, remesh. Here's the Boolean. And here, so I press here Boolean, and now you see here self Boolean. So I press this here. So now the mesh seems fixed, but I guess here is also a problem here in this area. Okay, and so I try to solve it. So here I use here face groups, and here you can separate the face groups by normal, or yeah, like this here. And then here I use the hide tool, rectangular. So I hide this here and I press here delete. So now here is a pure text. And to see the issues here, I use here the sticky vertex on border option and the relax option. And here you see the issues here. So here is the mesh not okay, here not, and yeah, and also here and here not. So okay, next step to fix this thing. Here in the dynamic topology menu, here's a remesh setting here, so you can here remesh the detail. And now let's check the mesh again. So now you see here, when you relax the mesh, everything is okay. So now the mesh is okay. And now I use Quadremesher. Here maybe let's try 900. Press Quadremesh. So here is a, you see here's an issue. So this is really tricky to fix. So again. Maybe now. Okay. I think now it worked. Yeah, here is also, here's a problem zone here. So So I press remesh again. Yeah, not so easy to fix such a thing here. But I hope you see the workflow to get this mesh, yeah, nice contoured. Yeah, so then I mask it, and so ah. So now the mesh is nice quadremeshed. Okay, that's it. Hope it helps a little bit. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.